The nation's track and field dominance at the highest level has once again been reflected in the number of athletics nominees for the RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation and National Awards. But one TVJ track and field analyst says the absence of sprinters among the male nominees further highlights the decline in that area. Jordan Fort reports.
Once again, track and field athletes dominate the list of nominees for the RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards. Of the 5 men who have been nominated, 3 are from athletics, but none are from the track events. In the past, the men's list would have featured a number of the nation's top sprinters, but TVJ sports track and field analyst Dwayne Extol says it's another byproduct of how men's sprinting has declined in recent years.
The world of sprinting has changed for the men. No Usain Bolt, no Johan Blake at his best. So the men's sprinting has changed a lot over the years, and the fact that no male sprinter has been nominated, it really tells the story that the men's sprinting in Jamaica isn't what it used to be. However, I feel going forward, I think things may change. You have some young promising sprinters coming up, but it will take some time. And I've said this before, it won't happen at the next World Championship or the Olympic Games. But I think as time goes by and the athletes begin to establish themselves, especially the younger ones, I think we may see another male sprinter nominated for Athlete of the Year.
Number 1 squash player Christopher Binney, diver Yonanite Wisdom, long jump world champion Tajay Gale, World Championships discus silver medalist Frederick Dakers, and World Championships discus finalist Travis Smykel are the 5 nominees for the National Sportsman of the Year Award. The RJR Gleaner Group Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala takes place on Friday, January 17 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Live coverage will be on TVJ, TVJSN, OneSpotMedia.com, and Hits 92 FM.